All right, back here on this side, preparations here in Baltimore help businesses and homeowners avoid flooding, but there's still a possibility of storm-related damage. WMAR 2 News' Mallory Safaste has tips tonight on how to make the insurance claims process a little easy and more straightforward.
Fortunately, we did not see a lot of flooding, and you can see how high the water levels rose here in the Jones Falls in Mount Washington. Instead, what we're hearing about are power outages, some downed trees, debris, damage that could be covered by your insurance. If you have any damage, you're going to want to document it and contact your insurer as soon as possible. Make sure you can first access the area safely, then take photos or videos. Commissioner Kathleen Birrane with the Maryland Insurance Administration said homeowners insurance will typically cover damage from trees that fall on your roof, missing shingles, siding damage, something people don't typically think of, replacing food that may have spoiled in your fridge or freezer if you lost power, as well as temporary shelter like a hotel. But when it comes to water damage, it can get a little tricky.
If you have damage that, for example, part of your roof comes off and water comes down into your house that way, that's going to be covered. That's not flood. Flood is typically surface waters that come up and rise and come into your house. That's typically not covered. It's almost never covered under a homeowner's policy, but it will be covered under a separate flood insurance policy.
BGE is working to restore electricity to its customers. They've called in crews from different states to assist and have around 2,000 people working to resolve all outages. You can also track outages through their app or website. And whenever you have a major storm or there's damage, you want to be on the lookout for scams as well. You may come across a contractor who says they can perform the work early. All they need you to do is sign a piece of paper so that they can communicate with your insurer. What can happen is they can then take the insurance payment and never return to finish the work. Reporting in Mount Washington, Mallory Safaste, WMAR 2 News.
All right, Mallory, thank you for the latest weather impacts, as well as up-to-date headlines and everything local. Download the WMAR 2 News app, or you can visit our website, WMAR2news.com.